బయట నుంచి ఏమీ తెప్పించకండి. మన హాస్టల్లో మీ కిచెన్లో మీరు ఏం కాలేజ్ వైపు నుంచి ఉండదు. మీరు కట్టే ప్రతి రూపాయికి ఒక వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎవ్వరు కూడా దేని గురించి ఆలోచించాల్సిన విషయం కానీ భయపడాల్సిన గోల్ రీచ్ అవ్వాలి. సో ఈ 4 yearsలో మరొకసారి చెప్తున్నా, దయచేసి కష్టపడి చదవండి, మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఉంది. మరి మీకంటే కూడా మేము ఎక్కువ కష్టపడతాం మీకు మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఇవ్వడానికని ఈ సందర్భంగా సెలవు.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational speech.
Responsibility for various TCS industry segments, banking, insurance, and high tech, along with TCS products wing. I'm really proud to announce that he also headed end-to-end staffing portfolio for the second largest region of TCS in India. In his 14 years of association with TCS, he has served many TCS global customers like Bell Labs, Nortel Labs, Lucent Technologies, Teleglobe, Avaya, etc. During his career in TCS, he championed several initiatives in the fields of business excellence, TQMS, human resources management. He is also well known in academic world and various IT industry government bodies like NORSAM, CII, CSI for his contribution to India's IT industry. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity.
చెప్పాల్సి వచ్చినాను. చక్రవర్తి సారు టీచర్స్లో ఇందాక చాలా లెంతీగా చెప్పారు సార్ ప్రొఫైల్. అంటే కొంతమంది ఇంగ్లీష్ రాని వాళ్ళకి పాపం పేరెంట్స్ తెలుసుండదు. లాస్ట్ 17 years నుంచి సార్ టీసీఎస్ సార్ కెరీర్ అంతా కూడా టీసీఎస్లోనే. ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్పాల్సింది అనుకో ఏంటంటే, SRITలో ఓరియంటేషన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్కి సార్ అటెండ్ అవ్వడం ఇది వరుసగా 4th time. అంటే నిజంగానే చాలా మంది ఏదైనా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ గెస్టులు పిలిచేటప్పుడు అంటే గెస్టులు మార్చడం, ఇంకా మంచి గెస్టులు పిలుచుకోవడం, ఇంకా మంచి స్పీకర్ని పిలుచుకోవడం, ఇట్లాంటివి ట్రై చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. అట్లాంటిది మేము ఇండస్ట్రీ నుంచి ఎవరినైనా ఒక క్యాండిడేట్ ఒక మంచి ప్రొఫెషనల్ని ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేయాలి ఈ మీటింగ్లో అనుకున్నప్పుడు మైండ్లోకి ఫస్ట్ వచ్చే ఆప్షన్ చక్రవర్తి సారే. మేమందరం చాలాసార్లు అంటే మా కాలేజీలోనే కాదు, సార్ ఏపీలో ఏ కాలేజీకి వచ్చినా అవైలబుల్గా ఉంటే పోయి కూర్చొని వింటుంటాం. నేను జగన్ కూడా. సో ఎందుకు వింటుంటాం, 4వ సార్ని ఎందుకు పిలిచామనేది ఇప్పుడు సార్ మాట్లాడితే మీకే తెలుస్తుంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇదే సందర్భంలో సుదర్శన్ రావు సార్ కూడా ఇప్పటికే చాలాసార్లు మన కాలేజీకి వచ్చారు, పిల్లలతో మాట్లాడారు. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం సార్ని పిలవాలనుకునేటప్పుడు ఒక మైండ్లో ఒక డౌట్ ఉండింది, సార్ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ అయిపోయినారు, సో ఈ టైంలో ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ పిలిస్తే వస్తారు రారు, అయినా సరే సార్నే పిలవాలనుకున్నాం. ఎందుకంటే యూనివర్సిటీ నుంచి కూడా ప్రతిసారి ఏదో ఒక అఫీషియల్ని, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఏదో యూనివర్సిటీ అఫీషియల్ అని పిలవడం కాదు, కానీ ఒక మంచి స్పీకర్ ఉండాలి ఈ సందర్భంలో అనేది ఎప్పుడు మా మైండ్లో ఉంటుంది. మరి అట్లాంటి సందర్భంలో సార్ని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సార్ కూడా అవన్నీ పక్కన పెట్టి ముందు యాజ్ ఏ ప్రొఫెసర్ మేము చదువుకున్నప్పుడు ఎట్లున్నారో అదే రీతిలోనే వస్తానికో సంభావన చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఈ సందర్భంగా థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.
Opportunities that you have once you are done with the engineering education. Phenomenal opportunities. I did my BTech Electronics and Communications and Masters in Computer Science, just like you, from a rural village of Andhra Pradesh. Once we are done with our engineering education, we have seen a fantastic world of opportunities. 18 years I am in the IT industry. Every day is filled with opportunities. Absolutely don't worry about opportunities. Irrespective of the branch you belong to, irrespective of the background you belong to, and irrespective of what exactly the family conditions you belong to. Everybody has something to do once you are done with the engineering education. And I'll take a couple of examples to tell you what exactly are the opportunities you are seeing. Why engineering students are having fantastic opportunities compared to any other education stream in the world, I'll let you know by a couple of examples. Number one, The first bank account I opened is on the first day of my engineering education when I joined my BTech Electronics and Communications in Andhra University. Today, it's close to 20 plus years. Banking is not changed. The same bank, the same manager, the same accountant. Farmer gets his 100 rupees cash every day by going through an ATM machine in the village of any particular village in this country. What made it happen? Technology made it happen. Number two, if my dad wants to pay the fees those days, and also for my room rent, hostel, etc., he used to send me a MO, money order. And today, every transaction in this world happens mostly by online. You are going to a shop, tell me how many people are paying the money or the bill by actual cash. People are using their credit cards and debit cards. And that is what is exactly the technology. If you go and draw 100 rupees, what is it, cash, the ATM, your dad or mother gets the SMS, the phone saying that somebody sitting in Hyderabad has taken 100 rupees from the account what you deposited. What made it happen so vastly is technology behind it. And who makes the technology is people who are going to finish engineering education from these great institutions like SRIT. Technology is giving opportunities, and you are the people, including me, are behind this technology, and that is creating opportunities for all of us. I'll give one more simple example. Recently, I went to a school, and I met one principal in one of the forums. He said, "Sir, from 0 standard to 10th standard in our school, we are getting away with the books. There are no books in the school. They just carry one iPad every day to school. And every textbook, every notes, every exercise is getting into that iPad. 10 kgs of weight every day on their back, and they get into the bus." And we also went through that kind of education. We never had an alternative. Today, all these books are getting digitized, and all the textbooks are getting into some 50 to 250 gram small machine, which is available for every student with a cost of 14,000 rupees. Can you believe it? Who made it happen? Technology made it happen. Technology made it happen, and who is creating the technology is people like engineering students. So once you get into technology, there are phenomenal things that you can do. You can't imagine. Today people are talking about taking the brain and studying the brain. Who made it happen? Technology people made it happen. And one more very simple example I'll give you. I don't know how many of you people seen this. To buy a small movie ticket, we are doing it online. You go to any hotel across Andhra Pradesh, including rural hotels. I went to Ongole recently, and the attender or the person who serves the food takes the order in mobile phone, and he sends it to kitchen by SMS. Can you believe it? So every business, everything is changing in the world because of technology. And boys and girls understand that and take the inspiration from that and say, hey, we as technology people, we have phenomenal opportunities to do and phenomenal opportunities to go and contribute. So absolutely don't worry about it. My friend Samba sir is saying no. Next time, Jagan, I have one suggestion. When you invite me to the dais, don't say center head of TCS, etc. That will continue. Call me as friend of SRIT. I'll be the most happiest person on the dais. So if you look at these opportunities, I'll give one more very good example for you. Because you guys have to take the inspiration from this. Bahubali movie. Right? Previously, our family members used to ask other family members, how is the movie? Today, every person goes to some website and understands what is the review of Bahubali, what is the rating of Bahubali. Technology. And people start sharing everything on Facebook. People are instantly sending photographs to the internet that this is a fantastic movie, and 1,000 people are getting the download of that. Previously, when I used to go to the movie and I used to be part of the interval discussions between me and my friend, today, sitting in the interval of that particular cinema theater, I am communicating to thousands of my friends about the movie, what I am watching on the day. And that is the power of technology. And that is making phenomenal opportunities for engineering students. Because opportunities are there. And now, I'll talk about what is that you guys need to do, boys and girls, my dear boys and girls, as part of your 4 years engineering education. Please listen to me very, very carefully. I don't know how many of you people seen the beautiful college that you have today. But something inspired me today. Look at that corner logo. SRIT, under that there is two very, very inspiring words. I don't know how many of you people understood that words before joining and opting for admission into SRIT. Empowering knowledge. Will go to the knowledge. Companies will go to the knowledge. Right? So what exactly is that knowledge? I'll spend a couple of minutes. In engineering education, once you get inducted, you will get to know the core subjects of engineering. For example, these 5-6 subjects are core subjects of civil engineering. These 4-5 subjects are core subjects of mechanical engineering. These 4-5 subjects are core of computer science, electronics, mechanical, etc., etc. So every engineering, degree or education system has some core subjects. And you need to acquire strong knowledge in the core subjects. Strong knowledge in the core subjects. So how to achieve the strong knowledge in the core subjects, I'll let you know.